Alright guys, so one more for today, half angle formulas. One thing that's nice is cosine is really used throughout, so if you have cosine to start, that's a positive thing. And just remember, like, whatever we are looking for, whether it is sine, cosine, or tan, you could see we're looking for half of that angle, sine half the angle, or cosine half the angle, or tangent half of the angle. Bless you. So for this one, really, if we're looking cosine y is 4 over 7, and we're looking for sine 1/2 y, you want to use sine 1/2 y, so you want to use this one where you're really just replacing cosine with the 4/7. What do I mean by that? So sine 1/2 y will equal square root 1 minus 4 over 7 divided by 2. Now I could see that this could give you some trouble on simplifying. I believe on Delta Math, they just want it in simplest radical form. So be careful here. So what I would do first, change the 1 common denominator, 7 over 7 minus 4 over 7 divided by 2, and then you could subtract inside the root. You get 3 divided by 7 divided by 2 inside the root. Now what that means is, think of this as 2 over 1. So it's square root 3 over 7 times 1/2. That's going to give us square root of 3 over 14, but we want to rationalize the denominator. So remember, when you're doing that, you're multiplying top and bottom by the square root of the denominator. So square root of 14 to the top and bottom, you get square root of 42 over 14, and then make sure you leave your answer that way. Okay, let's do another example. Let me get one up real quick. Okay, so this is good. So say we are looking for tangent this time, but we're given cosine. So let's see. So cosine A equals 5 over 8, and we want to find tan of half of A. Okay, so let's go back up top. So you could see we are going to use we are going to use this top portion right here, and it doesn't matter which one, but we do need to find out what sine is. Okay, so again, going back to the triangle, put A here, you have 5 and 8. So here we're looking for that missing side. So we get x squared plus 5 squared equals 8 squared. So x squared plus 25 equals 64. X squared is going to be 39. Okay, and so x is the square root of 39. Alright, so once you have that, now we can find tangent of 1/2 A, and we're going to use that top formula up here. Now it doesn't matter which one you do, 1 minus cosine over sine is fine. So let's look at that. So if we have So now 1 minus 5 over 8 divided by cosine A, which is going to be root 39 over 8. So again, take your time, common denominator, you get 3 eighths over root 39 over 8. You could cancel out the 8s, so you have 3 over root 39. Now they're going to probably want you to rationalize the denominator. So you're going to do times root 39 times root 39, giving us 3 root 39 over 39. And then just make sure you simplify a little bit more, because 3 does go into 39 13 times, and you get root 39 over 13, and then just leave it like that. So that would be your solution there. Thanks, guys.